Hi everyone, today we'll talk about Dubai's best ACCA institute. Myself Hina and I am an education advisor. Today I will share with you everything about the ACCA course. What ACCA is, what all is included in the course, the demand of ACCA is today's finance market and the tools used in this field. Let's start. ACCA stands for Association of Chartered Certified Accountant. It is a globally recognized finance and accounting qualification. Accepted in more than 180 countries, ACCA prepares you for real-world roles in finance, accounting, audit, taxation, and business management. The ACCA course is divided into 3 levels: applied knowledge, applied skills, strategic professional. You study 13 papers that focus on financial reporting, management accounting, audit, taxation, business law, and strategic decision making. What makes ACCA special is its practical and industry focused approach. You don't just learn theory, you learn how finance works inside real companies. Now let's talk about demand. The demand for ACCA professionals is very high in the finance market. MNCs, Big Four firms, global accounting companies, and large corporates actively hire ACCA qualified professionals. Why? Because ACCA professionals understand international accounting standards, global finance practices, and business strategy. Now let's talk about tools. In the ACCA field, you work with tools like Excel for financial analysis, ERP systems, financial reporting tools, accounting software, and audit and compliance systems. These tools makes you job ready and industry relevant. Now, based on my experience and understanding of finance education, the best ACCA course in your city as per me is IIM Skills. They have a great record in delivering ACCA and finance courses. They have highly experienced faculty, a strong curriculum, and practical training. They have been serving the finance education domain for more than a decade. If you are serious about building a strong career in global finance and accounting, ACCA with IIM Skills is a smart choice.